Students, a very warm good morning to all of you, and once again I welcome to everyone in GK video. And children, this is my first video of this week, and in this video today once again you all are going to do the revision work, because you all are knowing children your examination is going on. So for that purpose you all are doing revision. Okay children, so let's start my dear. In this video I'll recall you the chapter 2. Its name is domestic animal, and the chapter 3 wild animal. Okay children, so first let's talk about the domestic animals. My dear, domestic animals are very useful to us in many ways. Okay, like what animals? Like cows, buffalo and goats. Okay, they give us milk and we get many milk product from milk, my dear children. Okay, and what? Cows moo as a way to communicate, and different animals have their different sounds. Okay children, and cows are also known as cattle. So children, let's read about the what different types of domestic animals. Okay, like you can see the first picture, it is the picture of cow. COW, cow. Cow. Buffalo, BUFFALO, buffalo. You can see here it is written. Okay, third is goat, GOAT, goat. Fourth, sheep, SHEEP, sheep. My dear, these animals are very useful for us. Okay, they have their babies and they are very useful for us. Like sheep is also a domestic animal, and we get sheep from what? We get wool. What do we get from sheep? We get wool. So it is also very useful for us, my dear. Okay, now after that, next one is here, like horse and what? Donkey. And my dear children, what do you know about the animals? Every animal has a unique life value, like humans and plants. It is also important to protect and take care of animals. So domestic animal, why? Because they are very useful for us in many ways. We need to take care and make their lives comfortable. Okay children, so after that, now my dear, I'll talk about the wild animals. Already you all have done this chapter. So what? Wild animals are the animals which are lives in forest. Okay, and wild animals that are not tame and live on their own without any help from peoples. Yes, they find their own food, shelter and all their other needs in natural habitat. Okay children, like you can see in the picture, like lion, tiger, bears, elephant, these all are wild animals. They live in forest. They do not depend on depend on humans. They find their own food, shelter and water and all their other needs. Okay children, so now after that, I hope you all have done. So first you will read these two chapters. So children, in this video today you all are going to what? Write the young ones of the animals. What you all are going to write? The young ones of animals. So let's see one by one. Like once you can see here children, this is the picture of bear. Spelling BEAR, bear. Do you know the baby of bear, my dear children? Yes, a baby of bear is called what? Cub. Spelling CUB, cub. And what do you know about this animal children? Yes, it is one of the intelligent land animal, and they have the largest and most complex brain in comparison to other animals. Okay children, it is what? It has extra. Yes, bears are the extraordinarily intelligent animals. They have excellent sense of smell. Okay, sense of smell, sight and hearing. And its baby called cub, CUB, cub. Its baby, a young ones of bear is called cub. Okay, it is very intelligent animal. They have what? And they have excellent sense of smell, sight and hearing. Now after that, let's see, there is hen, HEN, hen. A baby of hen is called chick. Spelling CHICK, chick. And what do you know about children? A hen? Yes, the number of eggs laid by a hen in one day is 7. They can taste saltiness, but not sweetness. Okay children, so and its baby called chick, chick, chick. Now after that there is the picture of camel, spelling camel, and its baby called, do you know? Yes, its baby called calf, spelling calf, calf. Its baby called, my dear, calf. And they are very social animals. They do not have and also they do the heavy lifting. Okay children, and it is called the sheep of the desert. Children, its baby called calf, calf, calf. So once again, bear, a baby of bear called young ones of bear is what? Cub, hen, chick, and camel, what? Camel, calf. Now next let's see like deer, spelling, my dear, spelling of deer, 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 my dear, deer. And its baby called fawn, fawn, what? fawn, fawn, sorry, fawn, spelling fawn. Its baby called fawn. And what do you know children? They are known for being calm and gentle animal. Deers are what? Are known, deer are known for being calm and gentle animal. A male deer is called buck, spelling buck, buck. A male deer is called buck and female deer is called what? A female deer is called doe. Okay, doe, doe. Now after that, fish, a baby of fish called fry, 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 fry. A baby of fish is called fry, my dear. And also what do you know? It is fry and fry, what? Fish breathe with the help of gills. Okay, they breathe with the help of gills, and they have fins that help to swim in water, that help us to swim in water. Okay children, so now after that, goat, spelling goat, 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 goat. And its baby called kid, 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 kid. And what do you know children? It is one of the first animal that to be tamed by human, spelling what? Is baby of goat is called kid, 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 my dear. And sound is blitz, bleats, bleats, blitz. Okay, and its baby called what? Kid. Now so once again, a baby of deer called fawn, fish, fry, goat, what? Kid. Now next let's see. After that, like, my dear children, what? Goose, goose baby called gooseling, a baby goose called gooseling, spelling goosling, gooseling. Yes, a young one, a young goose is called gooseling. And my dear, a male what? Gooseling, a male is called what? Is called gander, gander, gander. And they can live for 25 years or longer. Okay children, so now after that, monkey, a baby of monkey called infant, 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 infant. Okay my dear. And duck, and it is very naughty animals. A monkey is very naughty animals. It swing tree to tree. Okay, and its sound is chatter, 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 chatters, or you can say giver, gibber, giver. And you already knowing baby of duck is called duckling, duckling, duckling. A baby of duck is called duckling. Okay, so children, these are the name of young ones of animals. Okay, now after that children, you all will do the what? Homes of animals. Like children, we all need home, we all need house to live, because it protects us from heat, rain, cold. So children, same way domestic animals, they also need homes to live. Okay, so like you can see children, these are the names of what? Animals. And now you will read their homes. Like rabbit, spelling rabbit, rabbit. It's what? Rabbit lives in burrow, burrow, burrow. Rabbit lives in burrow. And it eats what? Carrots. Now after that, birds. Yes children, what do you know about this? First, bird, what? Bird lives in nest, nest, nest. bird lives in nest, and my dear, birds have wings and feathers. They fly with the help of their wings. And also children, what birds have two legs that help them to walk, and birds eat with their beaks as they don't have teeth. Okay children, some birds like duck and swan swim in water. So my dear, birds lives in a nest, N-E-S-T, nest, N-E-S-T, nest. Now after that, pig, P-I-G, pig, a baby of pig, sorry, pig lives in a sty, spelling S-T-Y, S-T-Y, sty. And also, what do you know children about the pig children? Yes, it is also what their intelligence is higher than a dog. Okay, it is also a intelligent animal, and they are very clean animals. Okay children, so pig lives in sty. Once again, rabbit burrow, bird nest, bird lives in nest, and pig lives in sty. Now after that, next let's see, where is fish. A fish lives in a water. Fish lives in a water, spelling W-A-T-E-R, W-A-T-E-R, water. There is a picture of fish. They need water to live. And also, what I have said about the fish, my dear, and fish breathe with the help of gills, spelling G-I-L-L-S, gills, and they have fins that help them to swim in water. Okay, now after that, next one is here, hen. Hen lives in hoop, C-O-O-P, hoop, hoop, C-O-O-P, hoop, my dear. Okay, and already I have said its baby called chick. Now after that, snake, spelling S-N-A-K-E, snake. A snake, what? Snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake, and snake lives in hole. This is the picture of snake. It lives in hole, H-O-L-E, hole. Snake lives in hole. It is also a what? It is also called a slippery and slithry animal. Slippery and slithry animals. It is very poor or danger for humans. Now after that, let's see the next, spider. Spider lives in a web, W-E-B, wave, W-E-V, web. And my dear, and spiders have 8 legs. Okay, now horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Horse lives in a stubble, spelling S-T-A-B-L-E, stubble, S-T-A-B-L-E, stubble. Okay, now after that, next is bee. What? Bee lives in a beehive, B-E-E-H-I-V-E, B-E-E-H-I-V-E, beehive. And we get honey from bee, honeybee. We get bee from honeybee, and bee lives in what? Beehive. Now after that, ant, A-N-T, ant. Ant is a what? Ant is a small insect, and they live what? They live in ant hill, A-N-T-H-I-L-L-S, ant hill. They live in ant hills. Okay my dear, so these are the names of homes of animals and the babies of animals. So children, these 2 chapters are related to your chapter what? Chapter 2 and 3, that is domestic animals and wild animals. So first, what will you do my dear? First, you all will read these 2 chapters, chapter 2 and chapter 3 nicely. Okay, after that you all will write down the homes of animal and what babies of the animals in your copy with beautiful handwriting. So for today, once again I would like to say you thank you for watching this video till end. So have a wonderful day and bye bye you all.